in the media conference with Lal Goyal, which is brought to you by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarokar News, Organ Donation India Foundation and Gyan. Our endeavor is to entertain you on all the Sundays. But the only thing is that it is not pure entertainment, it is educational entertainment. And today we have a very, very talented guest. He is joining from California, USA. He is Mr. Karthik Krishna Jairam. Mr. Jairam is a BTech from NIT Calicut and M Engineering from Cornell University, New York. He is currently working as an electrical engineer in California, USA. He is a passionate singer born into a family of musicians and is learning Carnatic music from Kalamani Unni Krishnan and Hindustani music from Pandit Tapan Badya. He sings Malayalam, Tamil and Hindi songs comfortably and tries other languages like Marathi, Bengali, Telugu, Udiya and Kannada whenever he wants to. Mr. Karthik came third in a worldwide Tamil film song competition called Sing in Through 3 early this year that spanned 8 rounds involving over 500 participants across the world. He also won prizes in a Carnatic music contest organized by Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Padam Bhushan, Sudha Rangnathan this summer and a classical music contest organized by Swar Sangeet Group last week. He is a graded artist in the All India Radio and is a member of various organizations such as Shruti Philadelphia, Pan Sargam, and SPICMACAY, SPICMACAY, Cornell chapter, to name a few. Welcome, Mr. Karthik Krishna Jairam on our show. Mr. Karthik, as our custom says, we will be starting with a prayer. And the first prayer Mr. Karthik is going to sing is Man Tarpat Hari Darshan Ko. The film is Baiju Bawra, which was released in 1952. This prayer was sung by Mohammad Rafi, music Naushad ji, music Naushad ji, lyrics Shakil Badayuni ji. Baiju Bawra is a 1952 Hindi film directed by Vijay Bhatt, produced by Prakash Pictures with a story by Ramchandra Thakur and dialogues by Jia Sarhadi. Baiju Bawra was a musical mega hit which had a mighty run of 100 weeks in the theaters. Mr. Bhatt's decision to make a film based on classical music was met with criticism by the Indian film industry due to its lack of mass appeal. But the film and music turned out to be an overwhelming success. Man Tarpat Hari Darshan Ko Aaj. Mr. Karthik, please.
Thank you so much, Lalji, for this great introduction. So yeah, I'll go straight into this song. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. मन तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज मन तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज मोरे तुम बिना बिगड़े सगरे काज हो बिनती करत हूँ रखियो लाज मन तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज मन तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज मोम बिन हार रे पाऊं तुम्हारे द्वार का मैं हूँ जोगी हमरी ओर नजर कब होगी सुनो मोरे व्याकुल मन का बाज तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज मन तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज बिन गुरु ज्ञान कहाँ से पाऊं बिन गुरु ज्ञान कहाँ से पाऊं दीजो दान हरि गुण गाऊं सब गुनी जान पे तुमरा राज तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज मन तरपत हरि दर्शन को आज
Very nice. बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत. It's a good starting with a very nice pair. Now I am moving to the next song, and that is Laga Chunri Mein Daag. Song is from the film Dil Hi To Hai, which was released in 1963, sung by Manna Dey, music Roshan Ji, lyrics Sahil Ludhianvi, starring Raj Kapoor, Nutan Pran. Raj Kapoor, born on 14 December 1924, was an Indian film actor, producer, and director of Indian cinema. He is widely regarded as the greatest showman in the history of Indian cinema and entertainment. He received multiple accolades, including 3 National Film Awards and 11 Filmfare Awards in India. The Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award is named after Raj Kapoor. He was a 2-time nominee for the Palme d'Or Grand Prize of the Cannes Film Festival for his films Awara in 1951 and Boot Polish in 1954. His performance as Awara was ranked as one of the top 10 greatest performances of all time by the Time magazines. His films attracted worldwide audience, particularly in Asia and Europe. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1971 for his contribution to the arts. India's highest award in cinema, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, was bestowed on him in 1987 by the government of India. Laga Chunri Mein Daag.
लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे घर जाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे लगा चुनरी में दाग हो गई मैली मोरी चुनरिया कोरे बदन से कोरी चुनरिया हो गई मैली मोरी चुनरिया, हो रे बदन सी कोरी चुनरिया। हाँ, जाके बाबुल से नजर मिलाऊं, कैसे घर जाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग। भूल गई सब बचन बिदा के, हो गई मैं ससुराल में आके। भूल गई सब बचन बिदा के, खो गई मैं ससुराल में आके। हाँ, जाके बाबुल से नजर मिलाऊं, कैसे घर जाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग। कोरी चुनरिया आत्मा मोरी, मैल है माया जाल। कोरी चुनरिया आत्मा मोरी, मैल है माया जाल। वो दुनिया मोरे बाबुल का घर, ये दुनिया ससुराल। हाँ, जाके बाबुल से नजर मिलाऊं, कैसे घर जाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं, कैसे लागा चुनरी में दाग। धिं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नधिं तनन दृदतानुं तदेरे नधिं तनन दृदतानुं तदेरे नधिं नदेरे देरे तानदेरे तान त्वं दृददानि तारदानि धिं तनन नन दृदृदृदृदानि तान 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 धिं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नधिं तनन दृदतानुं तदेरे ना। सप्त सुरन तीन ग्राम बंसी बाजे, रे सनि सनि निद निद द पप्प मम ग मद ग मम ग रे सा। धाद कृत चरण धरन धरत पग परत नहीं परन। झांझर झन के झन नन 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 नदृदृतों तनों नन 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 नदीं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नदीं तनन दृदतानुं तदेरे नदीं तनन दृदता। नदृदृतों तनन धिं तननननन धिं तननननन धिं तननननन दृदृतों तननन दृदृतों तननन दृदृतों तननन नदृदृदृतं दृदृदृ नदृदृदृतं दृदृदृतों धिततों 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 धितों तधितों 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 तधाकृततं कृतक्रान्धा धाकृततं कृतक्रान्धा धाकृतं कृतक्रान्धा। धिं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नदीं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नदीं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नदीं तनन दृदतानुं तन्नदेरे नदीं तनन दृदता दृदता दृदता।
Very nice. बहुत खूब. And we have started receiving the messages. Abhipapsha Mahopatra, Waha Bhaiya, great start. Pandit Resort, beautiful bhajan, good start. Ravi Sharma, Aha Karthik, Divpal Sharma, very good start. Girja Krishna Swami, awesome. Great Talbot. Ravi Sharma, Jabardast. Hemlata Bhandare, the rhythm and harmony find their way into the inward soul. Very nice start. अभिप शाह अगेन, क्या बात है भैया. रवि शर्मा है, अभिप शाह, रवि शर्मा नमस्कार. ओहो नमस्कार, तो दिस फाइन. रवि शर्मा सिंपली टेरिफिक. कार्तिक, दिवपाल शर्मा वेरी नाइस वॉइस एंड नाइस सॉन्ग. भानु पुरोहित अमेजिंग. कार्तिक, दीपा मित्तल बहुत सुंदर. Pandit Resort, lovely singing. Ravi Sharma, you are magician. Karthik. So we are receiving the messages. Please keep sending messages. It encourage our artist, and especially a person, I will say young artist who has just done here Master of Engineering and now is working in California, USA, and he is joining from there. So it's a great thing to hear from the youngsters, and especially those old classical songs which are very, very difficult to sing nowadays. But thank you very much, Mr. Karthik, for entertaining us with such type of classical songs. Now, the next song is Maine Chand Aur Sitaron Ki, movie Chandrakanta, which was released in 1956, sung by Mohammad Rafi ji, lyrics Sahir Ludhianvi, music Datta Nayak. The casting starring was Beena Rai, Bharat Bhushan, Johnny Walker. Beena Rai, born on 13 July 1931, sometimes referred to as Beena Roy, was an Indian actress primarily of the black and white era of Hindi cinema. She is most known of her roles in classic such as Anarkali in 1953, Ghungat in 1960, and Taj Mahal in 1963, and won the Filmfare Award for Best Actress for her performance in the film Ghungat. Actually, Rai was born on 13 July 1931, and she signed the contract on her first film on 13 July 1950, namely Kali Ghata. Her first film released on 13 July 1951. On the happy day, she was engaged to Premnath ji. On 2nd September 1952, she married actor Premnath, whose sister Krishna was married to actor-director Raj Kapoor. मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी.
मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी. मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी. मुझको रातों की सियाही के सिवा कुछ ना मिला. मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी. मैं वो नगमा हूँ जिसे प्यार की महफिल न मिली. मैं वो नगमा हूँ जिसे प्यार की महफिल न मिली. वो मुसाफिर हूँ जिसे कोई भी मंजिल न मिली. वो मुसाफिर हूँ जिसे कोई भी मंजिल न मिली. जख्म पाए हैं बहारों की तमन्ना की थी. मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी. किसी गेसु किसी आंचल का सहारा भी नहीं. किसी गेसु किसी आंचल का सहारा भी नहीं. रास्ते में कोई धुंधला सा सितारा भी नहीं, रास्ते में कोई धुंधला सा सितारा भी नहीं। मेरी नजरों ने नजारों की तमन्ना की थी, मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी। मुझको रातों की स्याही के सिवा कुछ ना मिला, मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी। मेरी राहों से जुदा हो गई राहें उनकी, मेरी राहों से जुदा हो गई राहें उनकी। आज बदली नजर आती है निगाहें उनकी, आज बदली नजर आती है निगाहें उनकी। जिनसे इस दिल ने सहारों की तमन्ना की थी, मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी। प्यार मांगा तो सिसकते हुए अरमान मिले, प्यार मांगा तो सिसकते हुए अरमान मिले। चैन चाहा तो उमड़ते हुए तूफान मिले, चैन चाहा तो उमड़ते हुए तूफान मिले। डूबते दिल ने किनारों की तमन्ना की थी, मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी। मुझको रातों की स्याही के सिवा कुछ न मिला, मैंने चांद और सितारों की तमन्ना की थी।
Very nice. The next song which Mr. Karthik is going to sing is Chalo Ek Baar Fir Se, film Gumrah, which was released in 1963, sung by Mahendra Kapoor ji, lyrics Sahil Ludhianvi ji, and music Ravi, starring Ashok Kumar ji, Sunil Dutt, Mala Sinha, Nirupa Roy, and Shashi Kala. The film was a box office success. It was remade in Malayalam as Vivahita in 1970. For her performance, Shashi Kala won the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actress. B.R. Chopra won Certificate of Merit for Best Hindi Feature Film. Mahendra Kapoor won Filmfare Award for Best Male Playback Singer, and Pran Mehra won Filmfare Award for Best Editing. Chalo ek baar fir se.
चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों, चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। न मैं तुमसे कोई उम्मीद रखूं, दिल नवाजी ना मेरे दिल की धड़कन लड़खड़ाए मेरी बातों में, न जाहिर हो तुम्हारी कश्मकश का राज नजरों से। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। तुम्हें भी कोई उलझन रोकती है पेश कदमी से, मुझे भी लोग कहते हैं कि ये जलवे पर आए हैं। मेरे हमराह भी रुसवाइयाँ हैं मेरे माजी की, मेरे हमराह भी रुसवाइयाँ है मेरे माजी की। तुम्हारे साथ भी गुजरी हुई रातों के साए हैं। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। तारुफ रोग हो जाए तो उसको भूलना बेहतर, ताल्लुक बोझ बन जाए तो उसको तोड़ना अच्छा। वो अफसाना जिसे अंजाम तक लाना ना हो मुमकिन, वो अफसाना जिसे अंजाम तक लाना ना हो मुमकिन, उसे एक खूबसूरत मोड़ देकर छोड़ना अच्छा। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों।
बहुत बहुत खूब। आप परेशान ना हो, आप अजनबी नहीं बन रहेंगे अब everybody is going to love you. And we are receiving the messages. Dr. Ramin Goel says he's amazing, effortless singing, and many messages are coming. Avinash Bhargav, very nice song and voice. Jairam, aha. Abhi Papsha, Vava. Geeta Jairam, awesome. Hemlata Mandari, music speaks. Most memorable semi-classical songs in the history of Bollywood movies. Well done. Abhi Shah, hello Ravi sir. Jairam, nice presentation. Goel ji, Geeta Jairam, wow, beautiful song. Avinash Bhargav, बहुत सुंदर प्रस्तुति. Dipal Sharma, very good going, nice song. So it's so many messages are coming continuously. So I am now the next song which Mr. Karthik is going to sing. It is a Malayalam song which he will describe about that. But I will just say that Malayalam is a Dravidian language spoken in the Indian state of Kerala in the Union territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry by the Malayali people. It is one of the 22nd scheduled languages of India, spoken by nearly 2.88% of Indians. Malayalam has official language status in the state of Kerala and in the Union Territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry, and is spoken by 34 million people worldwide. Malayalam is also spoken by linguistic minorities in the neighboring states, with significant numbers of speakers in the Nilgiris, Kanyakumari, Coimbatore, Tenakashi, Tehini districts of Tamil Nadu, and Kodagu and Dakshin Kannada, that is Mangalore district of Karnataka. Due to Malayali expatriates in the Persian Gulf, the language is also widely spoken in the Gulf countries. Yes, Mr. Karthik.
First of all, thank you so much everyone for watching and commenting such, nice messages. Thank you so much. So the song that I'm going to sing, so I was brought up in Trivandrum, Thiruvananthapuram, the capital of Kerala. So Malayalam comes naturally to me. This is a song from the movie called Nadodi Kattu, released in 1987. Lyrics by Yusuf Ali Kecheri and music by Samuel Joseph, who is also known as Shyam, who was an erstwhile assistant of the great Salil Chaudhary. And this is sung by Dr. K.J. Yeshudas, who is an 8-time National Award winner for Best Playback Singer and a Padma Vibhushan awardee as well. So yeah, this song. I'll just sing the Mukhada and Antara of this song. വൈശാഖസന്ധ്യേ നിൻ ചുണ്ടിലെന്തേ അരുണസഖി തന്നധര കാന്തിയോ ഓമലേ പറയൂ നീ വിണ്ണിൽ നിന്നും പാറി വന്ന ലാവണ്യമേ വൈശാഖസന്ധ്യേ നിൻ ചുണ്ടിലെന്തേ അരുണസഖി തന്നധര കാന്തിയോ. ഒരു യുഗം ഞാൻ തപസ്സിരുന്നു ഒന്നു കാണുവാൻ, കഴിഞ്ഞ കാലം കൊഴിഞ്ഞ സുമം പൂത്തുവേടർന്നു. ഒരു യുഗം ഞാൻ തപസ്സിരുന്നു ഒന്നു കാണുവാൻ, കഴിഞ്ഞ കാലം കൊഴിഞ്ഞ സുമം പൂത്തുവേടർന്നു. മുഖമാമെൻ മനസ്സിൽ ഗാനമായി നീയുണർന്നു, മുഖമാമെൻ മനസ്സിൽ ഗാനമായി നീയുണർന്നു. ഹൃദയ മൃദുല തന്ത്രിയേന്തി ദേവാമൃതം വൈശാഖസന്ധ്യേ നിൻ ചുണ്ടിലെന്തേ അരുണസഖിത നധര കാന്തിയോ.
Very nice. I am sure all Malayalis or all those who knows Malayali would have been entertained, but also those who are not knowing Malayali, because of the song and the way you have presented, they are going to enjoy. Now the next song is Khilte Hai Gul Yahan, from a movie Sharmili, which was released in 1971, sung by Kishore Kumar ji, lyrics Neeraj, music S.D. Burman, starring Shashi Kapoor, Rakhi, Nazir Hussain. Rakhi Guljar, born Rakhi Majumdar on 15th August 1947 and widely known as Rakhi, is an Indian film actress who has appeared in many Hindi films and Bengali films as well. In 4 decades of acting, she has won 3 Filmfare Awards and 1 National Film Award, apart from many other awards. At Filmfare, Rakhi has been nominated 16 times in all, 8 times for Best Actress and 8 times for Best Supporting Actress, making her the second most nominated performer in the female categories behind Madhuri Dixit and Rani Mukherjee. She debuted in the Bengali film Badhu Boran in 1967 with Geeta Dutt in the lead role. Her first Hindi film was Jeevan Mrityu in 1970. In one of her interviews, she said in 2012 that her favorite heroes were Rajesh Khanna and Shashi Kapoor. खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ.
खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को मिलते हैं दिल यहाँ, मिल के बिछड़ने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ. कल रहे ना रहे मौसम ये प्यार का, कल रुके ना रुके डोला बहार का, कल रहे ना रहे मौसम ये प्यार का, कल रुके ना रुके डोला बहार का. 4 पल मिले जो आज प्यार में गुजार दें, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ. ओ हो ओ हो ओ हो ओ हो हाँ. झीलों के होठों पर मेघों का राग है, फूलों के सीने में ठंडी ठंडी आग है. झीलों के होठों पर मेघों का राग है, फूलों के सीने में ठंडी ठंडी आग है. दिल के आईने में तू ये समा उतार ले, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ. प्यासा है दिल सनम, प्यासी ये रात है, होठों में दबी दबी कोई मीठी बात है. प्यासा है दिल सनम, प्यासी ये रात है, होठों में दबी दबी कोई मीठी बात है. इन लम्हों पे आज तू हर खुशी निसार दे, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को मिलते हैं दिल यहाँ, मिल के बिछड़ने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ.
Very, very nice. And we are receiving messages. Dr. Madhu Goyal says, good to hear Karthik singing songs of his grandparents' time with such clear diction. Amazing. Hanu Purohit, this song is a test for breath control to get all the harkats so beautifully and also stay on tal all while not taking a pause to breathe. Wah Karthik. गीता जयराम, आहा, सोलफुल रेंडिशन। रवि शर्मा, कोचिंग टाइम क्या है? कार्तिक, एक स्टूडेंट तैयार है। अभी पापशा, स्प्लेंडेड भैया। हेमलता भंडारी, मैंने चांद और सितारों इज एन unforgettable song, best song from the golden era of Bollywood music, nicely sung. Geeta Jairam, my favorite singer. Avinash Bhargav, बहुत खूब. Karthik, Devpal Sharma, very nice voice. Karthik, you are singing very nicely. Geeta Jairam, too good dear. Bhanu Purohit, master class on voice modulation. This is Hemlata Bhandari, one of the best song of Mahendra Kapoor's fantastic song. Geeta Jairam, what a beautiful song. Bhanu Purohit, again, Nadhu, the Kwatu songs are so beautiful. Great pick, Karthik. Geeta Jaram, aha, Lata Bhandari. Music speak is an unusual language by the music speak. It is an universal language by the celestial singer by Sri K.J. Yesudas. Good song, nice selection. Dipal Sharma selected very nice song. Your voice is too good. Thank you for the wonderful Malayalam song. It is an all-time hit song. Mr. Paul, Chairman Global TV, has also mentioned. Okay, so we are receiving messages continuously. Now the next song which he's going to sing is my favorite, Sab Kuch Seekha Humne Na Seekhi Hoshiari. A film Anari, which was released in 1959, sung by Mukesh. Lyrics Shailendra ji, music Shankar Jaikishan, starring Raj Kapoor, Nutan, Motilal, Lalita Pawar. This was among the few movies in which Lalita Pawar played a positive role and Motilal a role with shades of grey. The film was remade in Tamil as Pasamum Nesamum. Anadi was released in 16 January 1959 and with critical acclaim, film critics had praised the screenplay and performance of lead actors in the film. Subsequently, it became the highest grossing film of 1959 with box office India declared a super hit. The film won 1959 Filmfare Best Actor Award for Raj Kapoor, Best Music Director Award for Shankar Jaikishan, Best Supporting Actress Award for Lalita Pawar, Best Lyricist Award for Shailendra for Sab Kuch Seekha Humne, Best Male Playback Award for Mukesh for Sab Kuch Seekha Humne, and 1959 President Silver Medal for Best Feature Film in Hindi. Sab Kuch Seekha Humne.
सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी। दुनिया ने कितना समझाया, कौन है अपना कौन पराया, फिर भी दिल की चोट छुपाकर हमने आपका दिल बहलाया। खुद ही मर मिटने की ये जिद थी हमारी, खुद ही मर मिटने की ये जिद थी हमारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी। दिल का चमन उजड़ते देखा, प्यार का रंग उतरते देखा, हमने हर जीने वालों को धन दौलत पे मरते देखा। दिल पे मरने वाले मरेंगे भिखारी, दिल पे मरने वाले मरेंगे भिखारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी। असली नकली चेहरे देखे, दिल पे 100 पहरे देखे, मेरे दुखते दिल से पूछो, क्या क्या ख्वाब सुनहरे देखे। टूटा जिस तारे पे नजर थी हमारी, टूटा जिस तारे पे नजर थी हमारी, सच है दुनिया वालों न सीखी होशियारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी।
What a song, and how you have presented. Very nice. Next song, which Mr. Karthik is going to sing is Mujhko Is Raat Ki Tanhai Mein Awaaz Na Do. Film Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere, released in 1960, sung by Mukesh ji, music Kalyan ji Anand ji. The film stars Balraj Sahni, Dharmendra and Kumkum. The film was Dharmendra's debut film. Balraj Sahni, born Yudhishthir Sahani on 1st May 1913, was an Indian film and stage actor who is best known for Dharti Ke Lal 1946, Do Biga Zameen in 1953, Choti Bahan in 1959, Kabuliwala 1961, and Garam Hawa in 1973. He was the brother of Bhishma Sahani, noted Hindi writer, playwright, and actor. But it was in 1953 with Bimal Roy's classic Do Biga Zameen that his true strength as an actor was first recognized. The film won the international prize at the Cannes Film Festival. He followed it up with an encore in the 1961 classic Kabuliwala, penned by Tagore. In his last film, Garam Hawa has often been called his best performance by critics. Balraj Sahni, however, could not see the completed film to rate his own performance, as he died the day after he finished dubbing work. The last line he recorded for the film, and hence his last recorded line, is "Insan kab tak akela ji sakta hai," which can be translated to English as "How long can a man live alone?" मुझको इस रात की तन्हाई में आवाज ना दो.
मुझको इस रात की तन्हाई में आवाज न दो, आवाज न दो, आवाज न दो, जिसकी आवाज रुला दे मुझे वो साज न दो, वो साज न दो, आवाज न दो. रोशनी हो न सकी दिल भी जलाया मैंने, तुमको भूला भी नहीं लाख भुलाया मैंने. मैं परेशान हूँ मुझे और परेशान न करो, आवाज न दो. इस कदर जल्दी किया मुझसे किनारा तुमने, कोई भटकेगा अकेला ये न सोचा तुमने। छुप गए हो तो मुझे याद भी आया न करो, आवाज न दो मुझको इस रात की तन्हाई में, आवाज न दो, आवाज न दो, आवाज न दो। जिसकी आवाज रुला दे मुझे वो साज न दो, वो साज न दो, आवाज न दो।
Very nice. Now he is going to sing a Kannada song. Kannada is a Dravidian language spoken predominantly by the people of Karnataka in southwestern region of India. The language is also spoken by linguistic minorities in the states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala, and Goa, and also by Kannadigas abroad. The language had roughly 43 million native speakers by 2011. Kannada is also spoken as a second and third language by over 12.9 million non-Kannada speakers in Karnataka, which adds up to 56.9 million speakers. It is one of the scheduled language of the India and the official administrative language of the state of Karnataka. Kannada was the court language of some of the most powerful empires of South and Central India, such as Chalukya dynasty, the Rashtrakuta dynasty, and Vijayanagara Empire, and the Hoysala Empire. Kannada song by Mr. Karthik.
ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇಂದು ನೀನೇನೆ ನನವಳಿಂದು, ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗೆ ಬಂದವಳಿಂದು. ಆಹಾ ಎಂಥ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ, ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇಂದು. ಸುರಿಯುವ ಸೋನೆಯು ಸೂಸಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಪರಿಮಳ, ಇನ್ಯಾರ ಕನಸಲು ನೀನು ಹೋದರೆ ತಳಮಳ. ಪೂರ್ಣ ಚಂದಿರ ರಜಾ ಹಾಕಿದ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮೊಗವನು ಕಂಡ ಕ್ಷಣ, ನಾ ಕೈದಿ ನೀನೇ ಸೆರೆಮನೆ. ತಪ್ಪಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇಂದು.
Very nice.
Yeah, I would like to talk just
Yeah,
a little
yeah.
bit about the song. Yes,
Yeah.
this is from the movie Mungaru Male, released in 2009. The music was composed by Manish Sharma ji and sung by Sonu Nigam, our own Sonu Nigam, who has had a very successful parallel career in Kannada language as well as a playback singer. He has won a lot of awards, and he always considers it his favorite language to sing in after Hindi. So yeah, that is about this song.
Okay, thank you very much. And I'm sure all our V4 viewers who are watching in entire Karnataka, more than 2 million viewers, they will be enjoying this song, especially this Kannada song. Thank you very much. And we are receiving the messages. Pandit Resort, very good singing. Himlata Bhandari, one of lovely song with sweet lyrics, great control throughout from Sharmili. ID Lobo, good program, good singing, good job, Mr. Goel and Global TV for encouraging young talents. Devpal Sharma, very good song and very good singer. Bhanu Purohit, so much fun listening to this. Nostalgic, like listening to Bhule Bisre Geet on Vivid Bharati. Thanks, Sir Sangam. Girja Krishna Swami, Aha, Himlata Bhandari, good voice control in Anadi song. Ravi Sharma, super Jabardast Karthik, Himlata Bhandari, lot of potential with good control and projection with good tone. So now the next song which Mr. Karthik is going to sing is Main Teri Najar Ka Surur Hoon, film Jahan Ara, which was released in 1964 and sung by Talat Mahmood. I would just like to mention one thing about Karthik. I am listening from the beginning. Your voice is very silky, and the silkiest voice, which they say in India, the talent is the Talat Mahmood. I'm sure people will enjoy today's this song. Lyrics Rajen Krishna, music Madan Mohanji. The film stars Mala Sinha, Bharat Bhushan, Shashi Kala, and Prithviraj Kapoor in lead role. Talat Mahmood, born on 24th February 1924, was an Indian playback singer who is considered as one of the popular male Indian film song and ghazal singers. Talat Mahmood received the Padam Bhushan Award in 1992 in recognition of his artistic contributions in the spheres of cinematic and ghazal music. He was particularly famous for singing soft and somber ghazals in his quering and silky voice. Romantic and tragic were the moods he liked most, and it was he who helped a great deal in shaping the style and method of modern ghazal singing in India during the 1950s and 1960s. Talat, who was one of the first Indian singers to go on foreign concert tours in 1956 to East Africa, United States, the UK, West Indies, he performed in Royal Albert Hall in London, Madison Square Garden in the United States, and in the West Indies. He continued singing until 1991 when he toured the Netherlands. So,
मैं तेरी नजर का सुरूर हूँ, तुझे याद हो कि ना याद हो, तेरे पास रह के भी दूर हूँ, तुझे याद हो कि ना याद हो, मैं तेरी नजर का सुरूर हूँ. मुझे आँख से तो गिरा दिया, कहो दिल से भी क्या भुला दिया, मुझे आँख से तो गिरा दिया, कहो दिल से भी क्या भुला दिया, तेरी आशिक़ी का गुरूर हूँ, तुझे याद हो कि ना याद हो, मैं तेरी नजर का सुरूर हूँ. तेरी जुल्फ है मेरा हाथ है कि तू आज भी मेरे साथ है, तेरी जुल्फ है मेरा हाथ है कि तू आज भी मेरे साथ है, तेरे दिल में मैं भी जरूर हूँ, तुझे याद हो कि ना याद हो, मैं तेरी नजर का सुरूर हूँ। तुझे याद हो कि ना याद हो, तेरे पास रह के भी दूर हूँ। तुझे याद हो कि ना याद हो, मैं तेरी नजर का सुरूर हूँ।
Very nice. And now the next song which he is going to sing is Pucho Na Kaise. The film Meri Surat Teri Aankhein, released in 1963, sung by Manna Dey Sahab, lyrics Shailendra ji, music S.D. Burman, starring Ashok Kumar, Asha Parekh and Pradeep Kumar. Kumudlal Ganguly, born on 13th October 1911, better known by his stage name Ashok Kumar and also fondly called Dada Muni, was an Indian film actor who attained iconic status in Indian cinemas and who was a member of the cinematic Ganguly family. He was honored in 1988 with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, the highest national award for cinema artists by the Government of India, and also received the Padam Bhushan in 1999 for his contributions to Indian cinema. He is considered to be one of the India's finest actors ever, playing leading antagonist and character roles with equal panache. The Gyan Mukherjee directed 1943 movie Kismat featuring Ashok Kumar as the first anti-hero in Indian cinema smashed all existing box office records, becoming the first Hindi movie to gross 1 crore at the box office. The success of Kismat made Ashok Kumar the first superstar of Indian cinema. Ashok's popularity grew each passing day. He seldom ventured out, but wherever he was spotted, he was mobbed. Traffic would come to a stop, and often the police would have to use lathis to disperse his fans.
पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता। जुग बीते मोहिनी नाई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। इत जल दीपक उत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। इत जल दीपक उत मन मेरा, मन मेरा मेरा। इत जल दीपक उत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। तड़पत तरसत उम्र गवाई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। भोर भी आस की किरण न लाई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता। जुग बीते मोहिनी नाई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए।
बहुत खूब, very nice. And now Mr. Karthi is going to sing one Tamil song. Tamil is the official language of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu and one of the 22 languages under Schedule 8 of the Constitution of India. It is one of the official language of the Union Territories of Puducherry and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Tamil is also one of the official languages of Singapore. Tamil is one of the official and national language of Sri Lanka along with Sinhala. The month of January has been declared Tamil Heritage Month by the Parliament of Canada. Tamil enjoys a special status of protection under Article 6B, Chapter 1 of the Constitution of South Africa. Recently, it has been rolled out as a subject of study in schools in the French Overseas Department of Reunion. Tamil became the first legal recognized classical language of India.
So this Tamil song that I'm going to sing is from the 1986 release called Mauna Ragam. This is directed by Mani Ratnam, the great director behind movies such as Roja, Bombay, Dil Se, and all those. So this was his first hit movie, you can call. So 1986, Mauna Ragam made him a star director. This was starring Mohan and Revati plus Karthik, another actor, in the lead roles. And this is sung by the great SPB sir and composed by Ilayaraja, written by Vairamuthu. So I'll just sing the Mukhada Nantra of this song. நிலவேவா செல்லதேவா என்னாலும் உன் பொன்வானம் நான் என்னை நீதான் பிரிந்தாலும் நினைவாலே அணைத்தே நிலவேவா செல்லாதேவா. காவேரியா கானல் நீரா பெண்ணே என்ன உண்மை, முள்வேலியா முல்லை பூவா சொல்லு கொஞ்சம் நில்லு, அம்மாடியோ நீதான் இன்னும் சிறு பிள்ளை, தாங்காதம்மா நெஞ்சம் நீயும் சொன்ன சொல்லை, பூந்தேனே நீதானே சொல்லில் வைத்தாய் முல்லை, நிலாவேவா செல்லாதேவா.
Very nice, and our salute to SPP sir for giving such a nice songs. And now the next song which Mr. Karthik is going to sing is Aansu Bhari Hain, film Parvarish, which was released in 1958, sung by Mukesh. Music, Datta Ramji, starring Raj Kapoor, Mala Sinha, and Mahmood. Mukesh Chand Mathur, born on 22nd July 1923, better known as Mukesh, was an Indian playback singer. Mukesh is considered to be one of the most popular and acclaimed playback singers of the Hindi film industry. Amongst the numerous nominations and awards he won, his song कई बार यही यूं ही देखा है from the film Rajnigandha, released in 1973, won him the National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer. Mukesh was also popular as being the voice of actors Raj Kapoor, Manoj Kumar, Feroz Khan, Sunil Dutt, and Dilip Kumar. Mukesh was such a fan of singer K.L. Sehgal that in his early years of playback singing, he used to imitate his idol. In fact, it is said that when K.L. Sehgal first heard the song Dil Jalta Hai, he remarked, "That is a strange, I don't recall singing that song." आंसू भरी है.
आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए. आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए. आंसू भरी है. वादे भुला दे, कसम तोड़ दे वो, वादे भुला दे, कसम तोड़ दे वो, हालत पे अपनी हमें छोड़ दे वो. ऐसे जहाँ से क्यों हम दिल लगाए, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए. आंसू भरे है. बर्बादियों की अजब दास्तां हूँ, बर्बादियों की अजब दास्तां हूँ. शबनम भी रोए मैं वो आसमां हूँ. उन्हें घर मुबारक हमें अपनी आहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए. आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए. आंसू भरे हैं.
Very nice. And now Mr. Karthik is going to sing Yaad Na Jaye, film Dil Ek Mandir, which was released in 1963, sung by Mohammad Rafi ji, lyrics Shailendra, music Shankar Jaikishan. The film stars Rajendra Kumar, Meena Kumari, Raj Kumar, Kutti Padmani, and Mahmood. The subject of a love triangle and a doctor's supreme sacrifice in the pursuit of his ideals is not new on the Indian screen, but director Sridhar presents this seemingly familiar plot with a jest and suspense that evoke praise. Dil Ek Mandir was directed by C.V. Sridhar and remade from his own Tamil film Nenji or Alayalam in 1962, which was released in 1962. Meena Kumari learned to play the sitar for her role. The entire film was completed in 27 days. At the 11th Filmfare Awards, Raj Kumar won the Best Supporting Actor Award and Arjun Dev Rashak won the Best Dialogues. Kutti Padmani was recognized by the then Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, at her residence along with Rajendra Kumar and Meena Kumari. याद ना जाए.
याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए. दिन जो पखेरु होते, पिंजरे में मैं रख लेता. दिन जो पखेरु होते, पिंजरे में मैं रख लेता. पालता उनको जतन से, पालता उनको जतन से, मोती के दाने देता, सीने से रहता लगाए. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए.
Very nice. Now we are only 2 songs left. I know the time is, and that's why I'm not reading the messages. People are sending messages. Please keep sending messages. It will go to Karthik, which will definitely encourage him. Now the next, last but one song is जिया हो जिया कुछ बोल दो. Film जब प्यार किसी से होता है. Film was released in 1961. Mohammad Rafi ji sang the song and lyrics Lahja Jaipuri, music Shankar Jaikishan, starring Devanand, Asha Parekh, Pran, Rajen Nath. Rajen Nath Mehlotra, born on 8th June 1931, was an Indian character and comedian in Hindi and Punjabi films. His family was from Karimpur locality of Peshawar but settled in Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Rajen's elder brother Prem Nath went to Mumbai and became an actor. So Rajen joined him in 1949. They were good friends of Raj Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor. Rajendra and Prem's sister Krishna married actor-director Raj Kapoor. He then did many films, mostly in comic roles, such as An Evening in Paris, Fir Wahi Dil Laya Hoon. One of his most applauded performances was in Manoj Kumar's Purab and Paschim. He also contributed to Nepal's first movie, Mathi Ghar. He starred in a number of Punjabi's films such as Jat Punjabi and Do Posti. He also acted in the very famous TV serial Hum Panch as Mr. Popat Lal. Jiya ho jiya kuch bol do.
Oh, oh. Ha, ha. ओ जिया कुछ बोल दो, अरे ओ दिल का पर्दा खोल दो. ओ जिया कुछ बोल दो, अरे ओ दिल का पर्दा खोल दो. हा 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 हा. जब प्यार किसी से होता है तो दर्द सा दिल में होता है. तुम एक हसीन हो लाखों में, भला पाके तुम्हें कोई खोता है. ओ जिया जिया कुछ बोल दो, अरे ओ दिल का पर्दा खोल दो। हाँ, जब प्यार किसी से होता है तो दर्द सा दिल में होता है। तुम एक हसीन हो लाखों में, भला पाके तुम्हें कोई खोता है। ओ जिया जिया कुछ बोल दो। नजरों से जितने तीर चले हो चलने दो, जिगर पर झेलेंगे। इन प्यार की उजली राहों पर हम जान की बाजी खेलेंगे। इन दो नैनों के सागर में कोई दिल की नैया डुबोता है। जिया जिया कुछ बोल दो, अरे ओ दिल का पर्दा खोल दो। जब प्यार किसी से होता है तो दर्द सा दिल में होता है। तुम एक हसीन हो लाखों में, भला पाके तुम्हें कोई खोता है। ओ जिया कुछ बोल दो।
Very nice. And now, and I will tell you, our viewers, that it is not easy to change the view, mood, to change from one singer to another singer and such a young age. It's really remarkable. I must salute to your gurus who have stayed. Although one of your guru, Mr. P. Unnikrishnan, he appeared on media conference with Lal Goyal about 10 days back only. And really, he is such a great person who won the national award in the debut song, and his daughter also won the national award in her debut song. It's a really, I am sure you are also going to be following their path. Thank you very much. Now the last song is Dost Dost Nahra Pyar Pyar Nara, film Sangam, which was released in 1964, sung by Mukesh ji, lyrics Shailendra ji, music Shankar Jaikishan. The film stars Vaijayantimala, Raj Kapoor and Rajendra Kumar in the lead roles, with Iftikhar, Raj Mehra, Nana Palsikar, Lalita Pawar, Ashla Sachdev and Hari Shiv Dasani appearing in supporting roles. In the late 1940s, Raj Kapoor planned to launch a film under the title of Gharonda with Dilip Kumar, Nargis and himself in the lead, playing the central characters. The story was penned by Inder Raj Anand during the making of Kapoor's first directorial film Aag in 1948. However, the film was postponed for several reasons and was in development until 1962, when it was titled as Sangam with new cast and crew. Initially, Kapoor approached Dilip Kumar to play the role of Gopal Verma. Dilip Kumar agreed to play either one of the two male roles on the condition that he be given the rights to edit the final copy of the film. Since Raj Kapoor could not accept Dilip Kumar's condition, he then approached Dev Anand for the role. The latter also declined the role, citing call sheet problems as the reason. Raj Kapoor then offered the role to Uttam Kumar, but he too declined the offer. The role was finally given to Rajendra Kumar. Nargis was to appear in the film as well, but she refused as her relationship with Raj Kapoor had just ended. Furthermore, she did not want to appear in the role of Rajendra Kumar's lover, having played his mother several years before in Mother India. Therefore, Vaijayantimala was cast in the female lead role. Dost Dost Na Raha.
दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा, जिंदगी हमें तेरा एतबार ना रहा, एतबार ना रहा। दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा, जिंदगी हमें तेरा एतबार ना रहा, एतबार ना रहा। अमानते मैं प्यार की गया था जिसको सौंप कर, वो मेरे दोस्त तुम ही थे, तुम ही तो थे। जो जिंदगी की राह में बने थे मेरे हम सफर, वो मेरे दोस्त तुम ही थे, तुम ही तो थे। सारे भेद खुल गए, राज़दार ना रहा, जिंदगी हमें तेरा एतबार ना रहा, एतबार ना रहा। गले लगी सहम सहम भरे गले से बोलती, वो तुम न थी तो कौन था, तुम ही तो थी। सफर के वक्त में पलक पे मोतियों को तोलती, वो तुम न थी तो कौन था, तुम ही तो थी। नशे की रात ढल गई, अब खुमार ना रहा, जिंदगी हमें तेरा एतबार ना रहा, एतबार ना रहा।
Very nice, and thank you very much, Mr. Karthik, for joining us. Although we know that's a late night in California, but I'm sure our viewers have enjoyed today's program. And today's program has been live telecasted by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, Newsgaon se Samvad Sarokar News, as well as it was shown live on Facebook and YouTube. And our endeavor is to bring to you every day a new and serious topic. And tomorrow our topic, media conference with Lal Goyal at 10:30 a.m. is role of youth in rural development. Our chief guest is Dr. Santosh Kumar Patnaik, former Managing Director, Indian Railway Finance Corporation, New Delhi, along with 7 youth guests who are joining and giving their views. So please do join tomorrow for media conference with Lal Goyal at 10:30 a.m. Thank you very much, Mr. Karthik, for joining. And thank you all the viewers, and happy Sunday. Please keep yourself safe.